Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to talk about the 5 most terrifying exoplanets. COROT Exo 3b is a gas giant exoplanet come from Aquila constellation, which is 2,218 light years away from the Earth. The size of COROT Exo 3b is pretty similar to Jupiter's, but the gas on Corot Exo 3b is 20 times denser than made COROT Exo 3b's gravity 50 times more than on Earth. If we step on it, it will be automatic doom. We will be quickly crushed by its density atmosphere. You only need 4.2568 days to circular orbit around its star. COROT 7b is an exoplanet come from Monoceros constellation and 489 light years away from Earth. It has an infernal landscape. The temperature on it is 2,200 degrees Celsius. The rock on its surface is bubble and boil. Evaporate on its atmosphere and cooling down on its surface creates the brainstorm rain. The saddest thing about COROT 7b is COROT 7b used to be a gas giant, but the gas on it has been blown away from the heat. There only left a core. Even though only a core left, the diameter of COROT 7b is still larger than Earth. That is pretty similar to the smallest planet in the solar system, which is called Mercury. Mercury uses 88 days to rotate around the Sun. I think I told you guys about Mercury used to be a gas giant in a long times ago, but the Sun used its gravity and stellar wind to blow out all the atmosphere and gas around Mercury, made poor Mercury become a very lonely kid, only a core left. So for Mercury, there's only a planet core. The same happened as COROT 7b. COROT 7b is a core as well. The reason why COROT 7b exoplanet is only a large gas giant exoplanet's core is because it is extremely close to its hot star, and you only need 20 hours to rotate around its star, like 1/23rd the distance between Mercury to the Sun. That means, it is 1/23rd times that Mercury close to its star called Sun. OGLE TR56b is an exoplanet located at Sagittarius constellation, orbiting the star OGLE TR56. This exoplanet was the first known exoplanet to be discovered with the transit method. OGLE TR56b has also nicknamed Hot Jupiter. You only need 29 hours to rotate around its star. OGLE TR56b is extremely hot. It also has rain, but it doesn't rain water at all. It rains iron, but the iron rain on OGLE TR56b isn't the heavy metal that we see from Earth. or the iron we use to create like bowls, plates, spoon, chopsticks, forks, or anything that we use for eating, we use for washing, we use anything for life. And I think that several people ask me, does OGLE TR56B runs the iron like several pieces of solid iron fills on its ground? I tell you that is not true. Firstly, OGLE TR56B is a gas giant. It doesn't have solid land to land on it. Secondly, it is extremely hot. You couldn't run solid iron because its temperature on it can quickly heat it up make those iron become very hot. So this is why it runs liquid iron. OGLE TR10B is an exoplanet. We all nickname it Hot Jupiter. A planet with a mass half that of Jupiter, an orbital distance only 1/24th that of Earth from the Sun. One revolution around the star takes a little over 3 days to complete. The planet is slightly larger than Jupiter, but way hotter than Jupiter because its distance to its star. OTS-44 is a free-floating planetary mass object, or a brown dwarf, located at a constellation called Chameleon near the Reflection Nebula, IC 2331. That is okay if you guys don't know what this brown dwarf means. Brown dwarf is a beginning stage of a star for every gas giant planet. It's a new form type of star. Brown dwarf stars look like a very lovely lantern with light inside. It's like yellow-brown together. Several lines create the brown dwarf star, pretty similar to Jupiter, but Jupiter isn't a brown dwarf yet. Jupiter is only a gas giant Jovian planet. Well, we already know it is a brown dwarf star. It is among the lowest mass-free floating substellar objects, with approximately 11.5 times the mass of Jupiter and approximately 1.1% that of the Sun. OTS-44 is 554.5 light years away from the Earth, with its surface temperature 2300 Kelvin. Guess what? OTS-44 produces its own light already, but one OTS-44's light compared to our Sun's light, OTS-44 is way darker than the Sun. Because Sun is a star, OTS-44 is just the beginning form of the star, so OTS-44 doesn't have enough luminosity yet. Alright guys, hope you like my YouTube channel. If you like my YouTube channel, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye, have a nice day.